Well, there's no two ways about it. I'm going to have to replace this post now. It rotted when the door... Yeah, we used to have a wooden door here, and it rotted. It was like an airlock between the house and the greenhouse over here. Greenhouse is on this side. The door going into it. The other side of where the door was. I have to replace that wood too. That's not structural flaw yet. Since that wall is holding it up pretty well, even though it needs some work on it as well. Need to put some braces in this ceiling. It's just kind of sagging. Should have done that first. I didn't do it because it was in the garage door. And everything's brand new, so it wasn't sagging yet. But about a year or so back, my sister had a garage sale, and she was backing in to load up some stuff, and she was just a little bit off, and she hit this thing. By then, the wood wasn't really holding it anyway. It was this railing for the old garage door was holding most of the structure up. But that, as you can see, is pretty well bent up now. But I had these house jacks that I've had for about 10 years now in the garage, so I just got one of those out and propped it up for the time being. That was a year ago. Now it's... Well, maybe it was 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. Either way, it's about time to work on it. I've got another one of these house jacks. I'll put it over here about 2-3 feet away so I can take that one out and saw that out. I've got a 4x4 post I'm going to replace all these 2x4s with. And I'll have to chip out some of this cement here. It's in the way. And pour some more later on. Okay, that's enough for the introduction. There'll be more later as we start putting the thing together.